It just didn't feel right at all, and I figured it had to do something with the engine or air/fuel flow. Next, I'm going to check compression when the bike is warm, as well as look into some potential issues related to the exhaust, adjust the carb to see what exactly is going on with this thing.
This is so hot. $125.
Another thing we're going to do is we'll check the spark arrestor, which is in side of the muffler. We may also start the bike with the exhaust off and just see if it starts easier. This thing's a little wobbly. I don't like this already. I'm going to take off this cap. There's a bolt underneath here and see what it looks like. It's supposed to be cleaned every so often. Takes a little Phillips head screwdriver. There we go. There's a couple of washers on there. Okay. And is there actually a spark arrestor? It's actually full of a lot of junk and garbage. There we go. All kinds of garbage in there. There we go. And that's like bits and pieces of that spark arrestor. There was once there. So the muffler is not in great shape. This may be part of our problem, actually. Probably going to be less clunky when I start it, actually. Started super good today. I'm pleased with that. Alright, so the goal now is to adjust the carb. This is the exact same carb that's in there. And if we look at the bike from the left-hand side, it's positioned like this. There's only one adjustment screw, and it's right there. So we're going to use this bit to get to the carburetor on the bike and adjust the screw. Essentially, it's a fuel mixture screw. If it's all the way in, the carb is getting the least amount of fuel. If it's all the way out, the carb is getting the most fuel. So the goal for now is to turn the screw all the way in, then back it out 2.5 turns, then get the bike warm and make sure the throttle is snappy and it returns to idle relatively quickly. I also think the bike is running lean as it is. All right, we're gonna count how many turns it takes with the screw to bottom out. All right, we're in there. It's half a turn. This is one full turn. Perfect. Let's back it out 2.5 turns and see if it starts. All right, let's just see if the bike starts with the carb the way it was. Just back it out 2.5 turns. Do the same thing one more time. 1, 2, 2.5 right there. Perfect. See if it starts.